Hey guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to share some of the tips for especially for the final year student who are going to make the final year project. I'm going to give you some tips you should keep in mind before getting before jumping in and making some project. The tip number 1, what is your interest? Are you interested in front end development, or you are planning your future for the back end, or you're planning your future for the full stack development? If you are planning, like if I talk about myself, while I was making my final year project, I made my project end to end, means as a full stack developer I started making that project. That's why today I am in a position of a full stack developer. So your today's journey is going to decide your future. Your interest of today will decide your future journey. So if you have planned like I want to be a full stack developer, then work on the front end, back end and database. Get the idea of all the three. Okay, now the second thing comes the technology. We'll talk about that later. Now if you are interested in front end development only and you are not in a group, you are not in any group, means what? You are making your project, the final year project by yourself. You can make a portfolio, you can make a front end design if you are interested in UX design, the front end UX design or the front end development. Like you can take any language. We'll talk about the technology again later. Okay, just make a website which does not require the database, which does not require the backend, which only required like a portfolio. I want to design a portfolio. What it will need? It will be reading only your piece of information, your interest and your link to your social media sites. That's what it includes, right? So if you are interested in front-end development, yeah, if you are alone making a project, you can make a portfolio, you can make any website, any interesting website, like a you are giving information about some tourist place, tourist spot. You can give the link to that. You can add pictures. Like this way you can decide what you want to do. Okay, technology comes later. First decide what you want in future. The third thing comes front end, back end development. Okay, now if you are interested in backend development and you are in a team, then take a leadership of the backend development of the team. Like suppose you are making end-to-end flow, especially REST API, use that in your project, like a CRUD operation. Use that in your project. That will give you extra effectiveness to the project. It sparks a project. The project will sparks differently if it has REST API or any API you are involving into that project. Means API call. You can have a simple front-end development, front-end design. You can use your business logic in the back-end and you can call the API. You can implement, fetch the data from there to here, implement it, show it. Like this way you can design. This is the third category for back-end development. Now the next thing comes after your interest is the technology. Now some of you, if you are watching my videos after 5 years, then technology will be changing. So today if you ask me what technology I should go for, guys, how to know what is the trending technology in the market? The first is Google. Yes. The second thing, if you are not able to identify, okay, on what I should work on, then if you have a connection in the company, then talk to them. What they are suggesting, what is the demanding technology of industry today? If I talk about today, then what is in demand? If you are in front end, Angular and React is, as a front end development, it is very popular. Back end development, Java is always popular. You need to know the difference between Java and Python. If you are using Python, you can use. I have already shared a video on Java versus Python. Now if you have decided what you want to do, like a front end, back end or full stack, or then you need to decide the technology. Well and good, you have decided the technology. The fourth thing comes is the use case. What change it going to make in the market after you are implementing your product, after you are launching your product? Means at least you should have an idea why you are making that project. Why tourism website? Very common project, tourism website. Why you are making that? Why you are making this application? You should know the reason of why and how it is going to impact the market. what is your target audience and how you are going to sell a product. Just as simple as that. Now you know this. Okay, I want to my target audience will be like small kid. Maybe I want to make a gaming application for them, a simple gaming application, learning kind of gaming application. So who is my target audience? The small kid. Or my target audience is the graduate. I want to make a website for them for education purpose, or I want to implement something for our non-profitable organization. Maybe I want to work for all the donation kind of platform I want to implement for them. So you need to know your target audience, then decide your product. Okay, now start implementing. After deciding about your product, start working on that. So this is the tips I wanted to give it to you for those who are going to start their final year project. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will highly recommend you to please press the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.